Are you trying to decide between Lloyds and NatWest? You are not alone. Many people wonder which bank is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular banks to help you make the right choice. Both Lloyds and NatWest offer a range of banking services. They provide personal accounts, savings, options, loans, and more. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's start with Lloyds. This bank has a long history in the UK. It's known for its strong customer service and user friendly online banking. Lloyds also offers a variety of accounts, including options for students and first time buyers. Many customers appreciate its straightforward app and website. Now, let's talk about NatWest. This bank is also well established and has a reputation for innovation. NatWest offers unique features like budgeting tools and spending insights right in their app. They also have a good selection of accounts, including options for small businesses. Customers often highlight the helpfulness of their staff. So, what are the main differences? While both banks offer solid services, Lloyds tends to focus more on person banking and customer support. NatWest, on the other hand, shines with its tech features and budgeting tools. When it comes to pricing, both banks have competitive rates. They may charge fees for certain services, but many accounts are free if you meet specific conditions. In the end, if you value strong customer service and a traditional banking experience, Lloyds might be the right choice for you. If you want modern features and budgeting tools, then NatWest could be a better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more content like this.